In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage DNS in Namecheap. If you've ever wanted to change your domain settings to better suit your website's needs, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be navigating the Namecheap domain settings with confidence. First things first, let's start by heading over to Namecheap's website. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. This is a secure process, so make sure you're entering your username and password accurately to avoid any delays. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a dashboard that gives you access to all your Namecheap services and products. From the left sidebar, look for the domain list. This is essentially where all your registered domains are housed. You'll want to click on the Manage button next to the domain you wish to modify. The Manage button gives you full access to the management features of your domain. Now that you're in the domain management section, let's move on to the name server settings. You're likely to see a section specifically labeled name servers. This section plays a crucial role because name servers are a part of the domain name system, or DNS for short. Think of the DNS as a roadmap of the internet, directing traffic to the relevant IP addresses linked to your domain. Within the name server section, you'll see there's a drop-down menu. Here you can choose your preferred option. For example, you might opt to use Namecheap's default name servers, or specify custom ones depending on your hosting needs. Once you've made a selection, be sure to click the green check mark. This simple click is a confirmation of your changes, ensuring Namecheap saves your updated preferences. It's essential to understand that once these name servers are altered, any custom DNS records you have set up for your domain will be overwritten to the new hosting configuration. But don't worry, this isn't as daunting as it sounds. If you need to, you can easily recreate these records in your cPanel under the Zone Editor and Email Routing menu. Here's a little tip. It's beneficial to keep a record of your current settings before making changes, so you have something to refer back to if needed. With these steps, you've successfully managed your DNS settings within Namecheap. Equipped with this knowledge, you'll now be able to make the necessary adjustments and tweaks as your website evolves. Whether you're optimizing for speed, ensuring security, or preparing for future expansions, managing your DNS effectively lays down a solid foundation. There you have it. You've learned how to update your DNS settings in Namecheap in just a few simple steps. Remember, these changes can take some time to propagate, so be patient. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful and easy to follow. For more tutorials, feel free to check out our other videos and explore further ways to enhance your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy domain managing.